Hello everyone, welcome back to my AndWin Tech channel. Today I am going to show in this video how to block your SBI credit card. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you want to block your SBI credit card, then I will show you a simple method to how to block this. First of all, you have to open your SBI credit card application, which is called SBI card. Open that application. Enter your password, then log in your app. You can see in this my SBI card app there are two cards. I have to block another one, which is a limit of 10,000. Below you can see some of the options. In that you can see here services. Click on the services. After that, under card management you will find block card. You have to click on that block card. Select your card, then click on continue. Select the reason why you are blocking the card. I will select suspicious transaction on card. If your card is stolen or lost, you can select the another. If you want to reissue your card, you can check mark this option. Please reissue a new card. If you don't want, just uncheck this option. If you want, just tick mark this. If you don't want, just untick that option. After that, you can see select option why you are blocking. The reason address has changed, will reissue a new card, or other reason. I will select it as other reason, then click on continue, then click on continue again. Now your card has been blocked. Then you will get a verification call from the SBI credit card customer. Then they will ask the reason why you are blocking. Then you can just tell them your card has lost or something else. What is exact reason? That's it guys. So in this way you can block your SBI credit card. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.